Okay, so here goes round two. We're in the almost the eye of the storm right now, and I'm down by the bay. It's about 7:30 a.m. and we're looking at the tennis courts. We're getting pounded with rain and just hard winds now. So I'm gonna get out of the car and pretty much make a run for the bay and the walkway. So come with me, folks. It is high tide. We're going to see if this water broke the wall first. Whole different story now. The walkway is completely flooded. The water is over the wall now. So we're officially over the wall. You could just see tons of washed up everything. The ducks look like as high as my head out there. Let me see if I can get these ducks for you. They're just cruising along, and the field is completely saturated. Come with me, we'll walk a little bit. You can see the water even has no place to go. Drain holes just flying free with water. The tide still has not hit its highest point. So we're looking at possibly in a couple of minutes this entire walkway is going to be completely shin to knee deep with water. And this is the bay, folks. This is the Newark Bay. So when this bay gets over this wall, you know the entire sea level is just a different place. Here's our pool from last night. It's almost completely connected to the pool where the second pool was starting. So now we almost have just one giant football field sized pool. But I can't get over this bay here, folks. I mean, you could just walk right into the bay. There formerly was like a wall. You had to jump the fence, climb down grass, and then jump into a wall. And it's all been breached by the bay. It's just basically just walk right into the bay from Society Hill. Here you go, now you have waves coming onto the walkway. That's it. The bay is just on the walkway now, completely. So, without seeming too over dramatic, I'm gonna head back before I just get washed away in the bay and there is no walkway anymore. And that's Hurricane Irene 2011, Society Hill, Jersey City. Sorry, I'm just not staying for much more of this.